Hey, hello. My name is Lenny Mudama, aka DJ Katz, coming all the way from United States to Turkeyana, Turkey. Okay. First, to talk about Turkeyana, I love the experience because when you come to the airport, they have transfers. You come, you see, you find them already, they waiting for you. They take you from the airport, they greet you, they have very friendly. They are so very friendly, so they take you from the airport straight to the hotels. They have the best five-star hotels here. I'm very happy. I found the hotels, they are very good, nice, everything, breakfast, every breakfast. Now, let's talk from the hotel to the clinic. They also do the transfers. They take you warmly, they greet you warmly. In the clinic, everybody is friendly, so friendly. You find, you be so grateful that everyone talking to you, yeah, you're so happy. Then let's talk about the experience. That's the most exciting thing. I found it so warmly. The hair transplant is so nice and easy. They take all their time. They treat you so good. Man, I'm so awesome and grateful to be, if I can come back again, I wish I can come back again. So if you need hair transplant, come here in Turkeyana. They are the best. A big five. Salute. Okay, the operation is DHI. I love that operation. It takes long time. It depends with the amount of air you have. So it takes much time, but it's the best. It's the best experience ever. No pain. Everything is so nice and easy. They take you all through until the last process. You'll be so grateful to return your hair back. Now I'm so happy again. I'm not gonna be on my caps every time and then. I'm so happy, grateful, Turkeyana. After the operation, they're gonna give you such good packages with shampoo, treatments for your hair, for the growth of the hair. They have they are a lot, like 4 to 5, which gonna last you for like 6 months. Everything will be grateful. I thank for that. Finally, they're gonna give you some packages. As you can see, the best packages, like we got the shampoos, we got the advanced hair anti-loss formula, which gonna last you for 6 months. They got the most effective hair repair set. This one will take your hair so strong and good, strong enough for the about 6 months. The experience will be great, awesome. I like it.